Hey fam, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is 𝗨𝗏, where we talk filmmaking, photography, and travel. Now, if that tickles your fancy, support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button. Or don't, it's your life. If you do, we appreciate you. So, Final Cut Pro got a mini update. Now it's 11.0.1, and that was released on February 3rd. And these are the improvements that was part of the update. The first one is addressing the issue that caused custom overlay to not be visible in the viewer. 2, fixes an issue that caused error using send to compressor from a timeline that included magic mask effect. Improves reliability of the show horizon command in the viewer. Improves performance when pressing and holding the H key to scroll the timeline manually. And the one we want to focus on is number 1, which talks about custom overlay. Now, several of you downloaded my free overlay, and if you updated to 11.0 like me, we weren't able to use them, which was a pain because my overlays, not to be biased, but I thought they were extremely useful. My overlays, there was 2 of them. One was the rule of thirds with diagonal lines. The second was safe areas in vertical video formats. And so with the update to 11.0.1, it's working again. So just make sure. So let's just pull up Final Cut Pro, and this was our last project. So we'll do this video. So we'll go to the first one, which is the rule of thirds. Make sure our opacity is at 100. So here you go. This is just the rule of thirds and your diagonal lines. Obviously that is annoying when you're editing, so that's why I put the opacity at 25%, and it makes it a little bit more bearable when you're editing your videos. The next one is if you select vertical video, just go to vertical safe, and let me make sure this is at 100% capacity. And this is your vertical safe areas and a 3-layer video stacked on top of one another. And just make sure you put it back to 25%, so when you're editing it just makes it more bearable. But yep, that is it. The video, if you want the overlays, I'll attach the original video down below. That shows you how to get them, and on top of that we will include a little buy me a coffee link. Obviously the overlays are free, but if you feel so inclined to make a small donation, we truly do appreciate it. If you've made it to the end and you still haven't supported the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button, we're speechless. Now to the fam that have, and the ones that continue to support me, we really do appreciate each and every one of you. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you on the next video.